Hey guys, Marisa Stone here with Simon Says Social and the Systems Lounge, and I want to welcome you to the 2018 Premier International Women's Business Systems Virtual Summit, where you learn all about the systems that our speakers are using to get things done. Now, many of you have asked me, why a Women's Business Systems Summit? And my answer is because only women understand the trials and tribulations that women go through to accomplish our goals. And because of that, we just do business differently. But my answer goes much deeper than this, and I'd like to tell you a little bit more about my why. Many of you may not know this about me, but I grew up in grotesque poverty. I left home at 14, married at 16, and by the time I was 23, I had 3 children, a very dysfunctional and abusive marriage, and absolutely no prospects for my future. When I finally got the courage to leave, I left with my children, my car, and the clothes on my back. I had no resources, I had no marketable skills, I had no education, and I had no home. But what I did have were those 3 babies, and I had my life. But I knew I had to come up with a plan so I could take care of these children. I mean, they're gonna wanna eat pretty soon. This led me to systems that allowed me to go to school in the evenings while working days, systems that allowed me to deal with class at school so that when I got home, I could put this mom hat on and give them the quality time with their mom that they needed. Systems that allowed me to excel in my studies so I'd be able to go after that job that was required to make the income that I needed to support my children. And systems that allowed me to put my life back together. Fast forward to today, and I realized that it was systems that empowered me to change my reality for the better. Systems helped catapult me to where I am today, surrounded by a loving family with an amazing partner who loves and supports me in everything I do. Systems helped me to obtain multiple higher level degrees so I could share this knowledge and expertise that I've acquired with the world. Systems are why I'm hosting this amazing event where women come together to empower one another with the systems that we use every single day to stay firmly planted in our zone of genius and serve our tribes while up-leveling our businesses. I found this quote recently from Scott Adams, and he said, "Focus on creating systems, not goals. Goals are for losers because you're literally failing 24/7 from the moment you try until the moment you reach the goal. Systems, on the other hand, are strategically designed to output a consistent result, achieving an objective in a predictable and repeatable way." Wow, it was systems. And now I want all of you to have access to these systems too. And I'd like to invite you now to grab your free ticket to BSVS 2018, where you will find over 50 amazing female entrepreneurs sharing the systems they use every single day to scale up their businesses. I'd like to invite you to join us on April 16th when the summit goes live to enjoy all the content that we have jam-packed for you inside all of our 5 tracks. Track 1 is our Power Up track. This is all about productivity and ways that you can power up your day to make sure you're achieving everything on your to-do list. Track 2 is our Word Up track. This is all about marketing and ways in which you can reach out to your target audience so you can create and serve your tribe in the way you were always meant to do. Track 3 is our Bank Up track. This is all about ways in which you can make money today. We get it. Money is a resource. We all need this resource to manage our lives, and making it is crucial to running your business and becoming successful. Track 4 is our Show Up track. This is all about ways in which you show up for your audience, from live streams to digital products to all the ways in which you put yourself out there to show up for your audience every single day. Track 5 is our Step Up track. Track 5 is all about you. When was the last time you put yourself back on your calendar? Inside this track, you'll learn exactly how to do just that. This may very well be the most important summit you attend all year. Don't miss it. Grab your free ticket today.